everybody. Welcome to the next, you know what it is. Yeah, we're gonna do another Nerf war. It's number 2, so get ready for it. Let's go get our friends and jump on the Nerf bus. Here we go. Ouch. Here we are. This is the battle bus. You know what? I'm gonna win this. Prove it, noob.
No, I'm gonna win. Default? Actually, you noob, I am gonna lose. Wait, I mean win, boy.
No, because I'm the princess. I could kill anyone in this game.
Not sure, because you know I'm the best in the game. No, you're not. I am.
No, actually me.
You got second place.
Nobody cares about you.
Hey, that's mean. My heart's broken. See that? My heart is broken.
I don't care. Stop.
Hey. God. You forgot about me. I don't care. Whatever. Oh, it's time to jump. Whee! Yay!
No, I gotta jump next. Ah!
I'm gonna be the final one, just saying.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Just me and you. Oh! Wait, no, 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 ah!
Ah!
Oh! Ow. Oh. Well.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
I called the gun.
No, you don't. I'll punch you in death.
Prove it. Yeah. Oh.
Ah! Guys, are you done yet? I have a gun.
So? Ow!
Please don't kill me. Well, too bad. I dropped the gun. Yeah, you did drop the gun. Give me it. Hey, let go. Hey, that's mine. No! What a chicken. Ugh. Ugh. I'm coming. Please don't kill me. I'll hit you in the back. Wait, actually, I'm gonna try to do a headshot. Stay still. Wait, what? What did you just say? Ow! Ah! Psh. Get wrecked. He didn't even have a gun. You only have one weapon. Oh. Something. Just stuff. And a little gun. Yeah. What is that? A laser gun? Give me that. Laser! It's mine now. Oh yeah. I have to turn this on first. Gotta test it out. One NASCAR. I'm gonna try to aim it right there. Oh, then you reload this button. That is so cool. I'm gonna use it. For good. Big time. We find some people. So, alright. Alright. Somewhere. I see someone! Shoot! Yeah!
Are you done? Wow, I eliminated him. How embarrassing. He was like one of the best players on this game. Wow, I don't need this tech. A laser gun. That is so cool. I didn't even use it before. I am gonna try it. Trust me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Have to reload it first. There we go. Let's find some people. All I just see is a gun there. I think somebody died there. Don't know. I don't think this gun never been used before. Look at this. Somebody up there? Huh? I'm not sure. No, I'm gonna find out. God, they should be somewhere. There's like 5 people in the game. Oh, now it changed to 4. I wonder where they died, though. Oh, gee. I'm just gonna wait. Is he done yet? I mean, is she done yet? Oh my God. Done. It's not working. I'm pressing the shooting button. Yeah. Dang it. Ow. Oof. What a beautiful snipe. 133 meters. All the way over there. Wow. Insane. There's a gun there too. Oh yeah, right, guys. That's the crooked Christmas tree. That's why, it's shaped as it. That, you know what that means? It's Christmas. It's December. Very, very close to Christmas. We're not to talk about Christmas. We're trying to find those next 2 enemies. 3 left. My God, where are they? Oh, I see one. I just saw him. I think it's a driver. I think it's Jeff Gordon. Yeah, that was Jeff Gordon. Get him!
Oh, let's go! A bow? Why are these called rockets? Those bullets are huge. I shall take it. I'm gonna take it. Give me. Yeah! Oh my God. Okay, I have a rocket in. I'm gonna shoot it at her. Wait, I'm gonna shoot at someone. Dang it, it fell out! No! I am gonna hit her for the first try. Trust me. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh! Oh! Shh, shh, shh. Be quiet. There's 1 enemy left. 1 versus 1. Okay, let me see. Jeff Gordon versus Daisy. Oh no, not Daisy. She's one of the masters. Well, Kyle Butch must be better. He must be harder to catch him, so yeah. Gonna try to find her. And we would definitely get the victory royale. Okay, guys? Alright, let's do this.
I have my gun, so yeah. I have 2 kills. Yeah, yes. 2 kills. That's a lot. That's just 2 people. It's like, oh, is that the dead zone? Oh, that's where the dead zone is, so, wow. I wonder who plays third. It's a red monkey. Nice. Oh. But where is this guy, though? I need to find him. Well, first I'm gonna reload my gun. Be back.
Wait, wait a second. Oh yeah. This kind of gun helps you look for an enemy. It's the laser gun. Oh, well, where I killed her. Gotta go grab it. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm leaving my crossbow there. Yes, I did it. Hooray. Okay, let's find let's find her. Yeah. There we go. She's staying still. Hold on. I'm gonna hit her on the head.
What's that?
Oh! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Oh! Yeah, let's go! Oh, I won my victory royale! Let's go! Let's go! That is amazing. Oh my god! You losers just got wrecked by me. Oh my god. I got 4 kills. Sweet.
I can't believe it. I know, this guy's a hacker.
Well, you guys are losers. Oh my god. Let's go. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. Not on the next game, one of us is gonna win, not you.
Oh, prove it. You know what? I don't care. It doesn't matter who wins. You can't just argue.
Actually, this is 1v1v1 and all that. All the 1v1s. Someone else must win.
Wait, what? Come on, let's not be mean to him like that. Yeah, that's so mean. Like, come on.
I know there's kind of like really good players.
Of course. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you guys have a merry, good Christmas. Merry Christmas! Oh, yeah. And don't get on a naughty list, too. That's not good. So be good. Be good. Be good. Don't let Santa down. Yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like.